Concept is electric circuits. Electric circuits. Now, what is electric circuit? In your homes, what you call fitting. Fitting has been provided in your houses. That fitting is nothing, just an electric circuit. Then, what is electric circuit? Simply a conducting path for electricity, which consists of connecting wires connecting wires along with some resistances. Resistances means which resist which resist the flow. Means any bulb can be a resistance, any fan, AC, or any such thing which consumes electricity is supposed to be the resistance. Is supposed to be the resistance. So the combination of all these together makes electric circuits. So if I want to define it, a continuous conducting path consisting of wires and other resistances and a switch. Of course, a switch which is been always present. This constitutes an electric circuit. Now, if you want to draw any electric circuit on the notebook, on the notebook, like if I want to attach any bulb, here there must be a bulb with any cell, or any battery. Then what I am going to do, I am not going to like draw the diagram of a bulb or of a cell. I need not to do that. In physics, I am given some symbols. Like for electric bulb, the symbol can be of this kind. One is this kind. This is the symbol of a bulb. As already discussed, the symbol for cell is one at high potential. That must be a bigger line which is at low potential. Now this is the symbol of a cell. Now when you draw this electric circuit on any page or on any surface of a notebook, by using symbols at the place of exact electrical appliances, it forms circuit diagram. What it forms? Circuit diagram. So most of the kids getting confused, the difference between electric circuit and electric diagram. So electric circuit is exactly a circuit in your homes, what you call fitting, which is been consisting of some connecting wires along with some resistances and some switches in between them to operate them and to get them off. That is exactly electric circuit. But if you draw that electric circuit on any notebook page by using the symbols of those resistances in place of making their exact diagrams, then what that forms? Circuit diagram. Electric circuit diagram. Now the part is symbols. So symbols of bulb and cell I have already made for you. So this is exactly the symbol of cell, that one at higher potential, the one at lower potential, that is being negative. This is cell. And when two or more cells are joined, now this is one cell, this might be the second cell, and this is the third cell. So when more than two cells are joined, what they forms? Battery. But make sure negative terminal of the cell must be attached to the other positive terminal. Then negative, positive. This is negative. So this forms a symbol of battery. In the same way, like if one wire is being crossed by another wire, like this is another wire. So for that the symbol will be like this way. So this is called wire crossing. What we call it as wire crossing. For any type of resistance, any resistance, this is the symbol. Remember this. This is symbol. What is resistance? That we are going to discuss in the next part of this chapter. But this is resistance. Resistance means like any stoppage to the flow of current. So this is exactly the fixed resistance which never changes. Which never changes. There are some other like resistances whom you can change. They are known as variable resistances. Variable resistances. So for them the symbol can be like this way. This is variable resistance, or the symbol can be of this kind. Resistance can be varied. Means you can change the resistance. Either you increase the resistance or you may decrease the resistance. So this is exactly your variable or changeable resistance. Why to increase or decrease the resistance? Just to get maximum or minimum amounts of current. Because if resistance or stoppage to the flow of charge will increase, current will automatically decrease. And if resistance will decrease, current will increase. And this resistance is being done with rheostat. Rheostat is a box which will be shown in our school lab, physics lab. So this is exactly some other important symbols like a wire joint. Like if one wire you want to join it with another wire, so then you may use like this way. This is called a wire joint. A wire joint. Wire crossing has been done. So ammeter symbol. This is ammeter, which is responsible for the conduction of electric current. Voltmeter, which we have already discussed. So this has been for a potential difference. So then if your circuit is being open, means if it is not working, this is exactly. So this is open switch. This is open switch. Open switch. Or this is closed switch if it is been attached. Closed means when the current is been flowing. Closed is not that circuit is closed like the way you are thinking. Closed switch means when the circuit is closed. So one more way of getting this closed switch, that is this way, and for open switch it will be like this way.